Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving.
Yeah, roger, that is loud and clear, over.
Yeah, roger that, I'll carry on to Scratchy Corner then.
Sounds excellent, catch you in a bit.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving.
Tango 21, it's as good as the car, over.
Really, and that's within the trees?
I'll just move into a better position then, over.
Yeah, moving towards the junction now. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, how's that?
It's absolutely superb at Scratchy Corner.
Oh, roger that. Well, I'll carry on now to the level crossing.
Roger, thank you.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving.
Tango 21, loud and clear.
Oh, roger that. Right, I'll carry on to the next, I'll be the Kelby turn next, won't it?
Yeah, roger, we'll do the Kelby one, then we'll skip the next one because it's pointless, over.
Yep, roger that. Catch you shortly.
Okay.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie receiving. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yes, Tango 21, receiving loud and clear.
Roger that, well that's the Kelby turn, so we'll skip Greyleys and go straight to Rossby then.
Yep, absolutely excellent. Catch you at Rossby.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21, you are a bit of a low signal, and I will talk for a bit so you can get your optimum position. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over to you.
Yeah, roger that. Well, I'm stood in roughly the same position I go to each time for the best reception, so you should be hearing me okay-ish from here.
Well, you're about radio 2 on this one. I can pick out 4 out of 5 words, over.
Roger that. Well, there we go. I think that concludes the test, yeah.
I think this is the best one we've ever had. What do you think, over?
Yeah, you've not been able to receive me so well from this point with any of them.
Right, are you doing any shopping, or are you coming straight back?
No, I'm coming straight back.
Okay, catch you in a bit. Thank you for the test. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.